Hi everybody, I'm going to do a quick demo on how to add Google Analytics, Universal Analytics to your website. So here we go. You don't have to add it, first to tell you. There is a basic analytics that comes with Jetpack. If you look at all the features of Jetpack, you'll see it down here, Site Stats. Move it up a little. Site Stats, and those look like this on your website. They're pretty basic, just who's visited on what days. You can get a little bit more information and configure it, but it's not as beefy as Google Analytics. There are two ways you can add the Google Analytics tracking code. You can add it via the header using JavaScript, and Google will provide you that code to copy and paste. Or you can simply enter the Universal Analytics code, the UA tracking code, via plugin. So I'm going to show you how that's, just give you an overview of those two methods. On this site, I already have the child theme configurator installed. So you can see I'm running a child theme, and under the files here, you can see that my child theme files include functions and the header. So if I go here to edit those in the theme editor and go to the theme header, and I did it this way because I'm also using another user tracking software called Hotjar. So I have my Google Analytics tracking code right here, and that's the, it's just calling it from Google. But here's the beef of it, is this UA code that you need. So that's one way to do it. So if you're already using a child theme, I recommend doing it this way. So add the theme header to your child, and then just add that script into the head of the HTML. The other way to do it is to add a plugin. So here I'm on another site that I'm developing, and if I search, I think I searched Universal Analytics, and there's a few different ones. I would recommend one that includes like kind of a dashboard overview, but it's a little harder to configure. So I thought I'd show you kind of the easiest one. So this, I did a quick test of this one, the simple universal Google Analytics, and that simply takes the UA code and leaves it at that. So I'm gonna activate that one and then go find it in my list. Simple universal Google Analytics here. I'm gonna go to those settings, and it's just asking for my tracking ID. So to get the tracking ID, you need a Google account, and from your Google account, you can get to Google Analytics. If you're already logged in on the computer you're at and you search Google Analytics, you'll automatically be logged in. These are all my clients. So I have one, my name for all my properties. You get up to 50 for free. These are all my client sites. Under the admin tab, you can add a new property. So you would go create new property and enter in a website and the URL, select the category, and get the tracking ID. And I'll show you what that looks like. I'm not gonna add a new property because I don't have one, but I can go here and see the tracking info right here, tracking code, and the code is right here, this tracking ID. That's that code you wanna grab and copy and paste into this field, and then save. And that's it. And then once you have that set up, it will tell you if it's working or not. It'll tell you if it's receiving traffic or not. And once you have that set up in your reporting, you can look at what's going on. You can have emails sent to your client. This is a really good way to keep in touch with clients without actually having to keep in touch with them. Just have their analytics sent to them every month via PDF, and include your, so to my client, Google Analytics overview. Usually send it monthly on the first, and then say, hi, it's me, just sending you your analytics. Let me know if you need anything, and include my email and my phone number in my signature. And that's a really kind of easy way to keep in touch with your clients. So that's it. We'll talk more about that in class, but I wanted to give you that right now. Thanks, guys. Bye.